Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to view store analytics in BigCommerce. Checking analytics helps us track sales performance, monitor customer behavior, and make data-driven decisions. Let's get started. First, we hover over the BigCommerce dashboard. Once we are here, we can find analytics on the left side of the dashboard. We click this drop-down button to see the overview, as well as real-time data, merchandising, marketing, orders, customers, purchase funnel, carts, and more. Let's look at the overview. In the overview, we focus on a specific store, not all channels. This section shows analytics for that store. We can see visits, conversion rates, orders, revenue, customers, and average order value, AOV. We can also view the visit to purchase funnel and abandoned carts. Here, we can check visits by region. We can see more details here. On the side, we can configure these settings. After configuring, we can check real-time statistics. We can select one channel or all channels, depending on what we need. In the Merchandising Analytics section, we can set the dates, choose custom dates, and view product options or SKUs. In the Marketing Analytics section, we can check the traffic sources. Here, we can see more information about our store's performance. When we finish reviewing the analytics, we know the results for our store, including gains and revenue. By regularly reviewing our store data, we can optimize our strategy and help our e-commerce business grow.